Hey, how's it going? So if you want to add types to this thing, all right, so the way to do that is, all right, so the first thing we need to do, we need to create a user. So user is going to be name and tel. So we need to create interface. User name is going to be a string. Telephone is going to be a string as well. Normally you want to kind of export it, but because I'm kind of just for demonstration purposes, I'll do it in here. Okay, so the second interface we need to create is interface for the state. Users state. Right, and then it's going to be users. And it's going to be user array. Right, so user state is basically users. So it's like an array of users that consists of these guys. And then in here, this is going to be our users state. So this is this thing here. Now this is an observable, so we need to import observable. So import. Honestly, I think it automatically imports, right? When we type observable. So we do observable. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, see? It automatically imports. And this is going to be observable with, so it's going to return an array of users, right? So technically, so it's going to be user, and then it's going to be an array, like so. And I think that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, it's done. I'm gonna, oh yeah, so the second thing I wanted to tackle is I see sometimes people do it this way. They remove this, right? You're gonna get an error. You're gonna get this error saying no provider for the store. Now this is an old way of doing it, but you can do it as well. So you go to, when you're doing dependency injection, if you do not type in here provided in root, you have to type like this, provider, and then type users store, and then it's going to disappear. So it's this thing here, name of the component. So this is kind of like another way of doing dependency injection where you're adding a provider as well. But I mean, it's such a tedious way to do that. Don't do it. Just delete, right? Just do it the way the global service does it. You see, injectable, just copy this code and just paste it in here, and it's going to work. And that's it. It's the same thing. So now you have your store where all of your states live, and you have types for error tracking. So you know that, if there is something wrong, then TypeScript is going to highlight it for you. Take care.